Motorhead Garage, presented by TopCoat, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
This Chevy Silverado truck looks great on the top and it looks fantastic on the bottom. Now, what if I told you that this truck is 12 years old, and for its entire lifetime, it's been pounding around here in the salt and the ice of New Hampshire. But you don't have to listen to me talking about New Hampshire oil. Listen to one of the customers who's been coming here for years.
I found this one nice and clean, want to keep it like this, and this is a New England truck right from beginning, and I knew this was a place to take it, to start it on this program and keep it going. Happened to work for the state of New Hampshire. We plow and salt the roads. I don't have to do the brine stuff myself because I'm in the secondary roads, but you see it on the highways and stuff when they got to put in the solution. And when you get running your trucks over it and stuff, that actually gets in the little spots a little bit more than your crunchy salt will, so to speak. We just decided to start oiling our trucks. And we were laying on the ground doing it ourselves, and Joe's set up in Deering quite a long time ago in his barn and had the lift and everything. And I said, well, it's a lot better than laying on the ground. And then he just kept moving up from there and got better and better oil, and it's incredible. It's good stuff, just lasts. And we actually sold some rigs that Joe had oiled for us in the past, and the people were amazed, no rust on it, you know, and they were New England trucks, and it works, stuff works. They go right to every little nook and cranny, do a good job with it, and nice facility. I don't know, it's just great, it's top-notch service all the way around.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
The Magic Creeper, what a cool tool to have in your vehicle or in your home, anywhere you need to work, anywhere you need to get down low. The Magic Creeper is a tool for you. Ladies with long hair, dudes with long hair, you're gonna love the Magic Creeper because you can't get your hair stuck under the casters of the Creeper. There are no casters. The Magic Creeper is right down on the ground. It's a couple of pieces of fabric that glide over each other just like you are on ice. It's effortless, and there's practically no weight limit to the Magic Creeper, so I know a lot of folks will dig that. The Magic Creeper can also go over any surface. Again, no casters. So you can go over rocks, you can go over grass, roots, no problem. If you leave a tool laying around, the Magic Creeper will glide over that effortlessly. You won't have to worry, and it's super comfortable on any kind of terrain. Magic Creeper also is great in the mud and the rain because it rolls over itself. The part that you stay on will always be dry. That's the part of the Creeper that will always stay under you. So the Magic Creeper is down in the mud and you are not. It's going to keep your cleathing clean if you're working on your car at home, or if you have a roadside emergency. The Magic Creeper is the perfect thing to keep you clean and comfortable when you're working on your car. Cleanup of the Magic Creeper, very simple. Just use a little degreaser, use a cloth. You can get all the grease, all the oil, all the mud off of the Magic Creeper with no problem. It'll be good as new once you are finished. If you are looking for a Magic Creeper, the place to find it is magiccreeper.com. That is the only place you will find the authentic Magic Creeper, except no imitations. Magic Creeper, you're gonna love it.
Now, torque sequencing and torque specifications are more important than ever now than before. Well, why is that? Well, there's similar metals in the motor. Sometimes we're putting aluminum on cast. You got stretch to yield bolts in a lot of the newer motors, and the manufacturers are built in these extremely tight tolerances, so torquing is important. Now, we're all pretty familiar. If you pull up this graphic here, you can see the sequence working from the middle all the way out. That's usually normal, but what you may not know is you read down there, you can see the first pass at 22 foot-pounds of torque. We can do that, that's normal. But then it goes into 90 degrees and the second pass at 70 degrees. So what we'll do is we got it up here, and just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to torque this one bolt right here instead of doing the whole sequence. But I would pull this one normally, turn it on, and I'll go ahead and pull this one normally to 22 foot-pounds. Once I get it to 22 foot-pounds, you would stop, then you go do the angle. The angle's pretty cool because I'm going to put this in series with the actual torque gauge right here, and when I put it in series, I'll connect it. And when I connect it, I get the base right here. I'm going to set it up to 0, and when I set it up to 0, now I can attach the torque wrench, and when I attach the torque wrench, I'll go ahead and pull it, and that's where you get your degree reading. Make sure you use an angle gauge next time you torque.
Well, if you're going to grab a snack, you better do it in a hurry, because Motorhead Garage, presented by TopCoat, is going to be back in just a couple of minutes.